And so I wish that I think that what hurts us is that we're not proximate to each other, and so there's more things that are trying to divide us and keep us together, But I feel like the folks, if there was like some white folks in the South or wherever they live, and they came over and had dinner or like hung out with us, they'd be like, these guys are awesome. Like the hell, like we have the same opinions about things, like you know. Um,
Right.
so I 100% agree with that. And certainly on the religious tip for sure, especially like Latinos are very devout. I'm thinking about my family, like my mom is like so strict. She's so strict, dude. She doesn't like breaking any rules. Like I don't know, it's just crazy. Very strict, very conservative in their outlook, but she's also like, dude, these ice creams are terrible. Like, do they not understand? Like, we're here to work. And I think that what's fueling all that stuff is that like we get addicted to fear. It's easier for us to fear than to love. And then when we're struggling, we project that on others. Like if we're struggling with something in our lives, which many people are in this country, we're looking for someone to point the finger at. I think that I assume that, I mean, I don't know them, so I don't know, but like based on what I read and see, I think that Trump wants to make money, get money. And I think that in order to get money, he is surrounding himself with people that have other agendas. And he's letting them advance their agenda. And so like on the immigration stuff, that's a Stephen Miller thing. And I think that Trump is saying, I'm trying to get money. This is what I'm guessing here. I don't know. Like Trump is like trying to amass more wealth and power, and he's surrounding himself with people that could help him in his goal. And then he's also letting them go crazy with their own personal agendas. Uh, what's sad to me about like some of these people is like Stephen Miller's a LA kid. He was in Santa Monica. And so I wonder about like what happened to him, like because he seems like just really hurt. There's like a deep-seated hurt and anger there, and it's vicious. And I wonder like what happened. Like what did he experience, that sort of shaped that for him? So I don't know. That's why I worry too about what's happening right now is like all the impact that it's having on kids because like it's shaping them in a certain way and we don't even know the impacts of that.